In this tutorial, we will be learning how to nest pipes in CAM. When you open your project in CAM, you will see what looks like multiple copies of your pipe. However, the red outline indicates the toolpath, and the gray shadow represents the toolpath as it repeats around an additional turn of the pipe. If you zoom in, you will notice yellow dots that mark the lead-ins and lead-outs of the toolpath, which can be edited just as they are in a 2D project. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of the individual objects within the toolpath of your pipe. You can toggle the check marks under the column labeled V to show and hide these portions of the toolpath. In the second column, labeled E for execute, you can uncheck the portions that you do not want to execute during cutting. If you open the material settings in the top toolbar, you will see that you could change the material type to mild steel, aluminum, or stainless steel, but we will stick with mild steel for this tutorial. You can also change the length of the workpiece, which we will be setting to 30. The remaining parameters apply to the pipe itself, however, we cannot change them anymore because we already set them in CAD. I will now be dragging the blue 0-point marker from the left end of the workpiece to the right. Now click the pipe nesting icon, increase the count to 3, and set the nesting direction to reverse. Then click Start Nesting. Once nested, you will notice that the pipes alternate in orientation to waste minimal space and material during cutting. After you click the green check mark, notice how after nesting, the red toolpath has shifted around the rotation of the pipe to optimize material use. Also note that the gray shadow path shows how it will interlock with the true red toolpath. Be sure to check out the continuation of this tutorial where we learn how to use the simulation tool.